So hello guys, welcome back once again on my new tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit these kind of images on mobile phone. So these are the edits that I did on my PC on Photoshop, and the next one I'm gonna show you are the edits that I did on my phone. So in order to do these kind of edits, I have created a stretch weak PNG package because there is no option to stretch text on mobile phone. So you need to download this package first of all for free. That is totally free. And there is one more style as well included, that is days on and off style. It is already included in this package as well. So now guys, first of all, let me tell you, this video will be in three parts. First, how to download and extract the PNG package. The second is removing background of the images that we are working. And the third part will be finally editing on PicsArt. So now guys, let's get started with the first part, that is how to download this PNG. So in order to download this PNG, you need to go through the link. The link will be already on the threads comments and YouTube comment as well. And after clicking onto the link, you will land onto the Gumroad page. So after landing onto the Gumroad page, just scroll down onto the down. Actually, I have already downloaded this PNG package for my testing. For you to download this package, just scroll to bottom and just click on to name a fair price just like 0, and you will see I want this option. Just click on to I want this option. Here it says, for me it says purchase again. So what I will do, I will just click on to purchase again, and you will land onto the checkout page. After scrolling down, you will see there will be an email address option. Just type in your email address. If you want to support me, you can add a tip as well, or you can just leave it as it is, or click on to 0. Just type in 0. Just click on to the get option. You will land on this page where it will show you your purchase was successful. And in this you will see there is a download option. You just need to click on to download option. And as you can see, my file is now downloaded. Now what I will do, I will just minimize, and in order to extract this file, you will need a RAR application. As you can see, I have already a RAR application on my phone. And after coming on to the RAR application, go on to the download option. And on download, just scroll down. As you can see, I have already downloaded this package. It's a weak PNG package, you can see. So in order to extract this, just open this and you will see there is a stretch weekend package written over here. So what you need to do is that just long press, click on to extract files. So it will show you something like this, and just click on to OK. I have already extracted this. I will not do it again, but just click on to the OK. And after clicking on to the OK, you will see in the gallery, I will open my gallery, and in the gallery, in the collection, you will see there will be an album called Stretch Weekend Package. The naming is not correct. It should be Stretch Week Package, but it is Stretch Weekend Package. And in that package, you can see there are PNGs just like this: Sunday, Tuesday, Monday, every day. And there is another style as well. As I said earlier, there is another style as well, that is on and off style, just like this style. So there are two styles in this package. So now that we have got our PNG, now let's begin with our second part, that is editing our image. So first of all, what we will do is that we will select an image and remove the background. So I've already made a long tutorial about this on how to erase the background. You can check that video as well. So first of all, I will turn off my Wi-Fi because every of the app uses lot of ads. So now what I will do, I will just click on to background. After opening the background eraser app, let's load the image that we want to edit. So I will select this image, and after selecting this image, it will show you crop as much as possible. Don't crop it over here. Just click on to the done. Okay, after clicking on to the done, now I will start erasing the rest of the part. So I will do it manually. I will increase the size first of all. You can see manual is already selected. I will increase the size. And now I will start erasing rest of the part that I don't want. Just like this. Erase as much as possible. Now you can see guys, most of my part is now removed. Now what I will do, I will click on to magic option. I will zoom in first of all. I will click on to the magic option, and what I will do, I will start erasing the magically. It will start erasing magically just like this. I will fast forward this first of all. So now guys, as you can see, we are done magically erasing, and lots of part is missing as well. Now what I will do is that we will repair this image first of all. In order to repair, there is a repair option, and we will start repairing this image as well. Just click on to what you want to repair just like this, and just start repairing it as well. Now guys, as you can see, most of the part is repaired. and you can see there are small background remaining just like this. What you need to do is just click on to manual, just erase the remaining part as well. Now guys, as you can see, my background removing is done. Now what I will do, I will just click on to the done option, and after clicking on to the done option, I will select the 3 options. Most of the time I go with 3 smoothness option. After clicking on to the 3 smoothness option, I will just save this image. And now after clicking on to the save, let's click on to finish. And now let's start editing our image. First of all, we will go on to the PicsArt, and after going on to the PicsArt, let's click on to edit a photo. And after clicking on to the edit a photo, as you can see, I have already experimented a lot of images. I will first of all open our main image. Let's go on to our gallery and let's open the main image. So this was the main image that we were editing, right? So first of all, I will rotate this. In order to rotate, if the resolution is something like this landscape, first of all rotate this, or if it is portrait, then leave it as it is. So in order to rotate this, click on to tools, and in the tools click on to the crop option, and after clicking on to the crop option, there will be a rotate option here as well. So I will rotate it towards right, and I will click on to done. And after clicking on to the done, the first thing that I will do is that I will tune this image. So what I will do is now is that click on to tool once again, and here you will see an adjust option, and in the adjust option, first of all I will turn down the brightness to something like -40 to -60. I will increase the contrast as well, something like 40. Just increase some clarity as well, 10 to 12, whatever you want. Then I will turn down the saturate. I will desaturate this as well. It was something like warm tone, so I will desaturate this as well. And the next thing what I will do, I will increase the highlight as well. Let's increase the highlight to 50, just like this. And I will decrease the temperature as well, something like cooler tone. According to your need, you can tune as however you want. And now just click on to the done. On the top right corner you will see. Now what I will do, I will add the background removed image. So in order to add the background removed image, scroll on to the right and let's click on to add a photo. After clicking on to add a photo, in the recent you will see there is a background image just like this. Below the camera there is my image. I will just click on to it and click on to add. And what I will do, first of all, this was also a landscape image. What I will do, I will just rotate it, perfectly rotate it just like this. And after rotating it, I will just scale it. This is how you can do it. And now you can see there are 2 layer options. The background erased and the bottom one is the original image. If I turn off the eye, you can see the top one is our background erased layer. So that's how you can do it. And the next thing that is, first of all, lock this image. There you will see there is a lock option. Just lock this image because there will be a lot of movement going on once you add the text. Now what I will do, let's try and add the text. And in order to add the text, scroll on to the right and click on to add photo. And after clicking on to the add photo, click on to the top recent and go on to the gallery. Or you can see over here, you can see stretched weekend package. Click on to the stretch weekend package. As you can see, it's totally white over here. I will go with like Monday. Okay. And I will add this. So as you can see, our image is ready. What I will do, I will just scale it. Let's scale this image. And let's rotate this image something like this. Adjust it according to your own need. Okay. As you can see, we have already adjusted our image. Now what I will do is that this layer is on top of our leg. Just click on to the layers, and after clicking on to the layers, you will see there is a Monday layer. What I will do is that just click on to the text layer and just drag below our background erased image. As you can see, it is now below our image. So that's how you can do it. And now the next option is that the text option is selected, right? So in order to get the effect, go on to the right, and in the right you will see a blend option, and in the blend option, go on to the right, you will see there is an overlay option. So that's how you can do it. As you can see, our effect is now ready. The stretched effect is now ready. If I click on to the done, you can see this is how you can do it. Our effect is almost ready. And if you want to brighten this as well, this is something like some light, right? So what you can do is that go on to the layers and click on to the text layer option, just like this text layer. Click once again and you will get this option, just like duplicate. Just duplicate this layer and you will get a duplicate option. First of all, we will lock the bottom text layer as well. And now what I will do, the duplicate layer, click onto it once again and we will drag it down. just like this. And after dragging it down, just adjust it. It will adjust perfectly, just like this. Adjust it. And now you can see our text is now brightened. Now it looks like totally a lot of brightening. So what I will do is that I'll turn down the opacity as well, just like this. Something like 40, 45, 50, however you want. Now our opacity is down. Now you can see almost our image is like perfect, totally perfect image over here. So that's how you can do it. If I show you, if I turn off the eye, you can see this is how you can do it. So that's how you can do it. That's the way you can do it. And if you want to add more text as well, first of all, let's log this as well. If you are editing a lot on this photo, so it's better to log the layer. So we will try to add a date, something like, let's go with like text, and in the text click onto the text, and in the text I will type something like 17032025. okay, it's 17th of March 2025, and I will click on to done, and I will select any of the text, just like, let's go with different text. I will go with Roboto, and after clicking onto the Roboto, let's just scale it down. Let's just zoom it. Let's just rotate it. Something like this. Let's just adjust this over here. Now as you can see, our date is now adjusted, right? So in order to blend this as well, on bottom just scroll on to right and click onto the blend option, and just click on, go on to the overlay. As you can see, this is done, right? The effect is now ready. So in this as well, if you want to brighten it as well, I will go click onto the layers. I will click onto the date layer, and I will duplicate this as well. And after duplicating it, just adjust it. It will adjust it perfectly, just like this. It will brighten. And if you want to like turn down the opacity for this as well, just like, let's go with 60, and let's click on to the done. And after clicking on to the done, that's how you can do it. That's how you can add more text as well. So that's the way you can do this kind of editing on mobile phone. And if you want to add more text as well, you can add more text as well. And now what I will do at the end, let's just download this image, and let's click on to the download option, and let's click on to save as JPEG. Save as JPEG. And now let's go on to gallery. Let's go on to our photo gallery, and in photo gallery I will go on to PicsArt. Okay, as you can see, my image is ready. You can see in the gallery, this is the image that we were editing, right? And this is how you can do it. These are the experiment that I was doing earlier on. As you can see, this was also edited on my phone this Saturday as well. This was also edited on PicsArt. So that's how you can do it. In order to add this border layer, I have already made a long tutorial about this as well. You can go and check that tutorial as well if you want to add the border. It's totally easy. So that's how you can do it. And that's it for video today, and I will be back with another video as well. So till then, bye guys. Love you all guys. Till then, bye guys.